Hi, my name is Teddy Panos, and I am the morning drive show host on 980 WCAP AM in Lowell, Massachusetts. And for those of you who don't know me, I am probably the least mechanically inclined person on the planet. Yet for some strange reason, the folks at 1AAuto think that they can get me to change this headlight simply by watching one of their instructional how-to videos. So with a little bit of grease on the fingers, but with an awful lot of money saved, I understand it takes $300 to get just the headlight yourself at the dealer, let alone the repair and the install. I was able to do it for $75 through 1AAuto.com. It was simple enough for somebody as mechanically uninclined as I am.